Today, I'm going to talk about some web development abnormality in Indonesia. Let me explain. In your screen, I already draw some oversimplified graph of web development. As you can see, from my experience and observation, I split web development into two categories. The first one is landing page or company website. It include animation, SEO or search engine optimization, and then content management, UI and UX, and front end. And second category is a web app. Like this is just oversimplified, so don't judge me, okay? The web app containing with UI UX, front end, back end, server, and etc. like Docker or Kubernetes. You got the picture, right? So let's move on into the problem. So basically, I only want to talk about the abnormality in landing page category because the web app category, in my opinion, is already advanced. Like there's a lot of giant company in our country, right? Like Gojek or Tokopedia. So I will not talk about web app. So what's wrong with landing page category? From my experience, I've been told that freelancing or starting business on this category, especially in Indonesia, is not possible or profitable. I've been told by a few of my friends that no one want this landing page or web company website because people use social media for advertisement. Like, okay. And there's one time my potential client kind of had the same stigma and taught me the same thing. Also, he thinks building landing page is an easy job. Talking about stigma, I already draw a simple graph like this, and I will explain it from my perspective. Uh, there's a few stigma when we talk about landing page with Indonesian people. The first one is easy. Like they always talking like, oh, landing page is an easy job. You can drag and drop with WordPress, blah 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 blah. Now, because there is an easy stigma, there is now there is a new stigma comes out of it that is cheap. Now, combining to this stigma, people start to underestimate landing page. Because of this stigma, dating landing page doesn't have an impact, so most people use social media as their main advertisement, right? Now, in my defense, why building landing page is not an easy niche. I will give you explanation about it. Why landing page, especially SEO for Google ranking, is hard because they require tools like Ahref or SEMrush. These tools. These tools are used by a lot of company and web design company outside of our country because it can tell you what kind of work that is effective for Google ranking and look at the pricing of these tools. 129, 2050, 500 for a big business, and look at Ahref, $100, $200, 400, and $1,000. Like this is a serious tools, guys, because it's really effective. Now compare how people pay web developers to build landing page in Indonesia. 100 bucks, 80 bucks. Hell, even I heard some stories about people pay $13 to build a landing page and expecting to be ranked on Google. How people expecting good quality website when they paid with small amount of money, right? It's crazy to be honest. Other than that, building good semantic HTML needs some practice, and there is actually a deeper knowledge about this. Even Google writes some tutorials how to build it. Wait, uh, there is a long page about this topic. Now my question is, if landing page like WordPress is easy, then why Google ranking in our country is bad? Let me show you some example. This is the result when we search construction company in Jakarta. I think if I remember correctly, this is the only company website that actually have good SEO because it's in the top ranking, right? Uh, let me see. Okay, this is a blog post. This is a blog post. This is actually a company website. Uh, this is a blog post. Instagram. This is a website. Mm, yeah, like it's kind of bad, right? Another example, when we search construction company in Tangerang, there's no. Ah, okay. This is a blog post again, blog post again, company website, and then a blog post again, blog post. Another example, when we search about a law firm in South Jakarta, blog post. This is a company website, blog post, and okay. This is actually kind of good. Blog post, company website. Another example, when we search construction company in South Tangerang, blog post. Construction company in South Jakarta, a blog post. Like this is crazy. Law firm in Jakarta, blog post. Like it really shows that company doesn't care about their SEO, in my opinion, because the result is really bad. And I think this is the reason why companies has this stigma about landing page. With the way their SEO works, they didn't get any benefit from it. And people won't notice their company exists when they searching for specific niche. So now here's my current hypothesis from observing the search result and talking to a few friends. The first one is people underestimating online or Google leads. So leads in marketing, I'm talking about leads in marketing, right? Basically, any individual or organization within your marketing reach who has interacted with your brand or has the potential to become your future customer. So that means being top at Google ranking will give company more reach to the potential customer. So the second one is let people underestimating landing page function. The third one is actually not from me. It's actually from my friends. I get I get his point of view because this is actually a fact, guys, and it's kind of embarrassing. Let me show you the data. Look, we are getting mocked by other country. Average IQ, average Indonesian IQ, 78.4 and 9. It's actually embarrassing, guys. But I think this is not the real reason why Google result is bad. I think is wait. Oh yeah, low reading interest, not IQ. Look at this. The first fact, UNESCO mentioned that Indonesia ranks second from the bottom in terms of world literacy, meaning that Indonesian reading interest is very low. According to UNESCO data, the reading interest of Indonesian is very concerning, only 0.001%. Every 1,000 Indonesian, only one person reading. Why I include this? Because SEO and content management is text based. So when people want when people have low reading interest, it means people won't read your goddamn website. It's actually crazy. And because because people have low reading interest, this is the final hypothesis: social media addiction. I think it's kind of crazy, guys, with social media addiction in this country. Like, I don't know. I include social media addiction because people in this country wasting a lot of time in social media, guys. Like, I will give you an example. So basically, Luke Feller is a content editor for Christopher Clevin, and he made some TikTok about like how he get paid and how much he get paid by becoming content editor for this guy, right? And for some reason, guys, people mad at this guy working for foreigner, like absolute insane. I, I think there is a correlation between I don't between low reading interest or low IQ. So I include social media addiction. And that is the reason why a lot of company using social media as their advertisement. So yeah, that's it for today, to be honest. And I'm really sorry for stuttering a lot because I rarely speak English. Because I mean I'm Indonesian, guys. But yeah, that's it for today. And I hope you have a good day today. So see you next time, guys.